second graders, let's jump right in. Echo me. The month is December. If yesterday was the 8th, then today is the 9th. I know that it's December 9th, 2020. So December 9th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday. That means today is Wednesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. Yesterday we had been at school 48 days. 48 plus one more leaves me with 4 10s and 9 1s. That means we've been at school 49 days. So let's make 49. I'm going to go 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Practice these words. Water. First. May. Look. Day. Write. This write is like you write with your pencil. Write. Our number is 805. Looking at the 5. Is that even or is that odd? Yep, because of the 5. 805 is odd. Let's put it here. 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. Get our number 401. 401. Take 100 away, and you have 301. Add one more 100, and you have 501. Our two numbers today are 419 and 668. I know that 419 is less than 668.